What is happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we got some exciting news to share with you today that has been long requested and on the docket here at Spawn Fly Fish. Today we are officially announcing that we have every size and every color of Hareline Slotted Beads. Every single one. So these range in sizes 1.5 millimeter to 5.5 millimeter, and for each size there's 25 colors. One thing to note, it's a little confusing given that the vast number of variants in this product that we had to build two separate website pages. So when you search Hareline Slotted Beads on our website, you'll see a smaller size category and a larger size category. They're broken down for you to easily understand what you're getting and what you're seeing, as well as every single color is photographed on our website. So drop down tab for size, drop down tab for color, and two product pages. We will look to consolidate these pages. Maybe by the time you've seen this video, it'll all be changed. But we just wanted to touch base on this. Again, it's been one of the most requested products that we add over the last several years is smaller size beads in every color. They're here to stay. So one thing we wanted to do, Pete and I have had a lot of time to spend with these, tying them up, figuring out what we like best, and we are giving you the Spawn Fly Fish top 10. So we're going to go one by one, see if you can see these. Hopefully you can. Pete's on the camera, doing a phenomenal job as always. First things first, we got jet black. Very cool color. Be on the lookout for that. Oh, one thing to note, not every color is available in every size. That's something very important, but it is something that we have confirmed with Hareline moving forward. Every single color offered will be available in every size offered. So be on the lookout for that. Say your favorite color isn't offered in one of the larger sizes, like a 5.5 millimeter bead. It is an option on our website, meaning it is coming. So look forward to that in the future. Again, by the time you see this video, it might already be fixed. Next thing, fluorescent orange. And these are in no specific color or order. So fluorescent orange. Now we're going to kind of boom through these. Blood red. Fluorescent salmon pink. For those of you that are big fans of the Spawn Super Tungsten Beads, this one will look familiar to you guys. Fluorescent white. Metallic brown. Metallic orange. Metallic olive. Metallic purple. As you can see, there's a bit of a theme here with some of these metallic colors we really like. And last, but definitely not least, you guys know me well, peach. So, that does it for our top 10. Again, there are 25 colors, all of them being great. We didn't just bring them in for a whim. They're all fantastic for a huge range of applications, from the smallest of flies to the biggest of streamers. Spawn Fly Fish is now your go-to for all things slotted beads. Look them up on the website, and we will see you guys next time.